A well-maintained device is faster, safer, and lasts longer. 3 simple habits do most of the work. Keep it updated. Install operating system updates when prompted. They include security fixes. Update apps through the official store, Microsoft Store, App Store, Google Play. Update your web browser regularly. Manage storage. Delete files you no longer need, especially in downloads. Empty the recycle bin/trash monthly. Move large files, photos, videos, to cloud storage or an external drive. Check free space in Settings/Storage, Windows, or About This Mac/Storage. Look after performance. Restart your device at least once a week. Close apps you are not using. Run a trusted antivirus scan. Windows security is built-in and free. The device is unusually slow. Check for updates and free up space. The fan runs constantly. Close heavy apps. Storage warning appears. Delete or move files. Open Settings/Storage or About This Mac/Storage. Write down how much free space you have. If it is under 10%, plan what to delete or move.